Oh my God, there's a fire. There's a fire right there, right there. Man, we're so freaking excited. Look. Oh my God, Nathan.
Right?
Yeah.
But that's all downhill. So, and that's on the Blue Ridge Parkway.
This is 1000% the most stressed I've ever been towing this trailer. So today is a massive drive day. We're driving all the way from St. Augustine, Florida up to Charlotte, North Carolina. So I just clocked in my 5 hours. I've manipulated Nathan into driving. We've kind of gotten the habit of me towing the trailer and Nathan backing in the trailer and unhitching the trailer. Now we're trying to mix things up a bit. So a funny thing with RV life is if you don't keep practicing things, it's really easy to lose your confidence.
We just arrived at the Charlotte Motor Speedway. We're gonna do a few laps around the track, max this baby out. And I added some better tires, you know, in the last few weeks on this trailer. So I'm trying to get this at an angle, trying to get this on just on two wheels only. Oh, it's an easy back in, dude.
You're nailing it. Keep going. That pretty well.
Well, backing up's fun when you got extra room. Look at the size of these sites. I will say there's not much amenity wise, but
yeah, they're pretty spacious. But no, but you're not a noob anymore. Like,
no, I feel
you're getting
confident.
It.
Yeah, just kind of the snaking back and forth feels natural now, so that's good. Yeah.
We're spending the next 7 nights here at the Camping World Racing Resort, just right across the street from, wait for it, panning, the Charlotte Motor Speedway. During non-event weeks, you can stay here for just $200 for the week with full hookup.
All right, see, there's only one way to start your day when you're out here, and that's with a good old-fashioned diner breakfast experience.
Veggie omelet, that's massive. Blueberry pancakes.
We spent the majority of our time in Charlotte editing and working out, trying to burn off those pancakes, and popping bottles up in here.
Event.
This is the Louis Vuitton line. It's the first bottle of rosé, Opaline, Pinot Noir, Brut Rosé. I'm popping it up in here.
Wait, let me see it, Yeah, it is pretty.
You can find Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's para $8. Es muy barato.
What are you gonna do?
Should I do it? Is it gonna damage our ceiling, dude?
I hope not. Be careful. Ow!
Headshot, dude!
Dude, it hit me right in the freaking head!
Killing it right. Was the biggest success ever.
And then, yeah.
Cheers. I hope it's good. Well, that's nice.
Nothing like wine in bed. Celebrating. Editing 3 videos in 4 days, which is massive. And now we're watching Bo Burnham.
He's got a new special on Netflix, so.
Charlotte, I'm through with you. I'm moving on.
All right, Charlotte, that's a wrap. We peacing out. We hitting the road. Today's a big drive day, but a nice one because we are going to do one of the most scenic drives in the entire United States, the Blue Ridge Parkway. We're heading direction Virginia because one of our dear friends, Caleb, is getting married. And that was literally the only thing we had planned and scheduled on this entire road trip. On June 12th, save the date, we have to be in Virginia. So we also found one of the coolest campgrounds, Devil's Backbone. They have an award-winning brewery on site with a restaurant. So this will be a first for us to have that experience.
Holy shit, that guy just got so close to me. Did you see that?
Yeah. So we're only a short ways into our drive on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and so far it's freaking magical. As soon as we got on here, it started raining. We hear little raindrops on the window, a few deer hopping across the street. We avoided them. And the smell of the rain, and you hear the birds chirping. I never knew it was this lush out here. I mean, I felt like I was in like Costa Rica or something for a second, but we've got a long ways to go on here, and I just, yeah, we can't wait to see what the rest of it looks like.
Hi.
Oh, there's a lot of rain, y'all. A lot of rain. Ooh. Come on, old girl. You got this. Ooh, lots of water.
It is coming down.
Blue Ridge Parkway. Buddy, come here. Oh, water.
Holy shit. Look at this. Wow. Big ass raindrop.
Alright, look. We made it! Look how freaking gorgeous this place is. Oh my god. Feels like we're like in a jungle. Alright, we've had to climb pretty high and Nathan's stressed out.
This was definitely not the right road to go. Like, this is not meant for, honestly, trailers. There were no signs, but there's 3 ways to get there, and this is probably the worst way.
Well, sometimes we make mistakes. And, okay, chill out. Easy on it. Oh no. Oh, that's all red. Oh my god, Nathan.
Do you have service at all?
I might.
Oh, yeah, 1 bar. I need to call somebody.
Oh my god, there's a fire. There's a fire right there. Right there.
Oh,
All right, so this morning we're gonna call the mechanic and we're gonna see if they can get us in. So let's pray they can get us in. Hi, good morning. I was just calling to see, do you guys have any availability today? So we're from out of state and we're staying down at the Devil's Backbone campsite. And last night when we were 3 miles out, we're towing a trailer in our SUV. We were going down pretty steep and we were using our brakes probably a lot more than we should have been. And there was smoke coming from the brakes. And oh, and the other thing that was an issue was the front left rotor. It caught fire. Oh my god, there's a fire. There's a fire right there. Right there. Yeah. Should you spray all of them?
yeah, I'm spraying all of them.
Oh my god.
You have AAA?
Yeah, we're gonna have to call. Okay, let me just call my dad really quick. Oh my god, I literally have like not even a bar. We'll see. Hey, Dad. All right, so here's what happened. We have been doing a very steep drive for the last probably hour or so. That was all uphill, and now a lot of this has been downhill. And Nathan noticed that the stabilizer, service stabilizer light came on. We don't even know what that is. We're like, okay, what's a stabilizer? and I started to smell smoke. It smelled like something burning. So we pulled over and we're only 3 miles away from our campsite. Now we're trying to figure out if we should make the drive or not. What do you think?
I don't know. It flattens out at the bottom, but it's just like there's
left. We are directly across the road from that.
okay.
So you'll be going down the road, you'll see the gas station on the right, then you'll see an old church on your right, then it'll be a big open field.
You're doing great. Yay! Good job, Nathan. Made it. Oh, coming in a little hot. Shit. Oh my god. We got our nice friend behind us who kept his emergency lights on for us. Alright.
Well, it's a very nice gesture on their part to just give us some beer, man. They knew we went through a very stressful time.
Nice.
Probably the most stressful thing we've ever
You're stressed
dealt
today.
with. I'm so freaking stressed. I mean, that when there's a fire,
Yeah.
that's something to be stressed about.
Dude, it was so funny. You were like, dude, I grabbed the hard drives. They're behind your chair.
Yeah, oh yeah, you always got to be ready. Worst case scenario.
All right.
All I need for the day is my poncho. We up at 6:30. We driving a couple miles away. Found somebody to fix this car.
Okay, stop. All right. So it's 7 a.m. and now we're gonna walk 3 miles back up this hill, back to camp. Hi, Troy.
Hey, I wanted to call you with an announcement real quick.
Okay.
For new brakes, rotors, and calipers, it's $959.85.
Okay. Yeah, we figured it'd be something close to that.
Okay, right.
I wanted to ask you, because I did some research on the rotors, brake pads, and calipers, and we live in our travel trailer right now, and we've been towing it for 6 months in that truck. And we have done the mountains a few times, and we've never had this issue. So my question to you is, did the brakes did the brake pads look pretty old, like they were on their way out anyways, or
The rear brakes was worn down. The front brakes looked really good, other than they would burn up. The problem is, I know you've probably done mountains before. I don't know if you've done a mountain as steep as what you was on yesterday. That's over a 15%. If you came across 664, that's over a 15% grade.
yeah.
And what happens if you don't get down in the low gear and go slow, it will cook them.
Okay, we didn't go down to, we just kept it in 3. We didn't go down to the second gear, so that was our mistake.
Yeah. In all honesty, if you're pulling a camp or if you come across a grade like that, you probably should just go down to 1. It does take you a few minutes more, but it prevents this from happening.
Okay, that's really good to know. Thank you.
You know, especially on a back road, it's not, now you can't do that on interstate. Of course, you don't have any interstates or anything that's that steep.
Yeah.
But, a road like that, if you would have gone down in 1, it does, I'll agree, it takes a few more minutes, but it's well worth it.